See here, integral of 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx is given here. So whenever these type of different integrals are given, we need to check the properties of the different integrals. So first of all, check this. So integral of 0 to a f of x equal to 2 times of integral of 0 to a with limit change, that is a by 2 f of x. So when this condition is satisfied, so that is f of a minus x equal to f of x, so then it is equal to 2 times of integral of 0 to a by 2 f of x. So if it is f of a minus x equal to minus f of x, so then it equal to 0. So now this, write the f of x equation here. So that is f of x here equal to 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now we want the f of a minus x. Sorry, here a means pi. That is f of pi minus x, that equal to 1 by a square cos pi minus x whole square plus b square sin of pi minus x whole square. That's equal to, here cos of pi minus x means cos x only, sin of pi minus x means sin x only. So then it gives f of x only. So there is no change. So f of minus x here, f of pi minus x equal to f of x. So this condition is valid. So it is equal to 2 times of integral of 0 to a by 2 f of x. Now rewrite the given equation as integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx 2 times. Okay, now bring the cos square x common here. So then it becomes 2 times of integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos square x on the numerator, on the denominator a square plus b square into sin square x divided by cos square x. After taking the cos square x common, then becomes like this. Now it can be written as tan square x and it is secant square x. So 2 times of integral of 0 to pi by 2 secant square x divided by a square plus b square into tan square x dx. Now here bring the b square common here. So then it becomes 2 by b square integral of 0 to pi by 2 secant square x divided by a by b whole square plus tan square x dx. Still it is not the simplification form. So now I am going to apply the substitution method. Now apply the tan x equal to t variable. So then it becomes tan x equal to t. Now as well as change the dx value in terms of t. Now derivate this equation, then it becomes secant square x dx equal to dt. Now as well as we want to change the limits. So for x equal to, here 0 is there, for x is equal to 0 we will get t equal to 0. For x is equal to pi by 2, then t equal to infinity. Okay, by substituting the equation we will get the new t limits. Now rewrite the given equation as 2 by b square integral of 0 to infinity dt divided by a by b whole square plus t square. So here secant square x dx can be replaced with dt. Okay, on the denominator tan x can be replaced with t variable. Okay, this is our assumption. Okay, this can be t square. Now from the integral formulas we know that integral of 1 by a square plus x square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Now apply this formula here. So it is in the format of, in the standard format. So here a by b nothing but a considered and t nothing but x is considered. So now in substituting the formula, then we will get 2 by b square. So this is the constant value outside. Okay, so here 1 by a. So a mother a by b. So it becomes b by a tan inverse of x by a. That is tan inverse of, here x means t, t by a means here a by b with limits 0 to infinity. here 1b cancel, so on the this constant becomes outside 2 by AB. So that is equal to 2 by AB. Now apply here tan inverse of BT by A with limits 0 to infinity. 2 by AB into tan inverse of infinity means pi by 2 minus of tan inverse of 0. 0 by anything is 0. That is tan inverse of 0 is 0 only. Okay. 2 to cancel here. That is pi by AB. So for the given problem, pi by A the correct answer. So and this is the process of simplification for the given problem.